Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In previous video, we discussed about Python 3 on command line interpreter. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use text editor inside a Raspberry to write a simple program and execute in command line instead of command line interpreter. One of the text editor in Raspberry is VI. You can access VI by typing VI and hit enter. VI is a old text editor and Vim stand for improved is a version totally open source and original VI is a proprietary software. But Vim is an open source and it has some advantages over original VI such as syntax highlighting and ability to work with network protocol like SSH, HTTP, a lot of resource out of which we need a fundamental features and functions. Vim come with built-in Raspbian Searchlight. There are two modes in Vim. They are command mode and editing mode. If you need to get into command mode, press the shift key and a hyphen. Now at bottom you can see a hyphen, which means now you are in command mode. You can see here the instructions to get out from command mode. Type Q and hit enter. I'm writing Q and hit enter. Now I'm quit from command mode. Now I am going to install latest version of Vim. In Raspbian, Vim comes with smaller version. So type sudo apt hyphen get install Vim. Now press yes to download. Okay guys, after installing Vim, let's use Vim to create first program. So Vim, let's call it program 1. So program 1.py. This py is the extension tell this is a Python program. Click enter. Inside Vim, before start writing anything, I need to hit I key in order to get into insert mode. Now we can start writing anything. So let's begin. Typing a program that we worked on in previous video. Here I am defining a function I call str operation. So def str underscore operation. I'm declaring two parameters called first one strn and next one num. Close the parameter full colon. Hit enter. Leave a three spaces. After that I'm creating an internal variable equal to num times strn. Hit enter, then print a. Just like we done in previous video, just copying the function name called str operation. Operation. Then I'm passing a couple of parameters. First one is string hello space, and then next one is 3 times. So after that, at this point I finish writing. So at this point I am done typing. So press escape key. Now you can see at the bottom the insert has disappeared. Now I am holding shift and hyphen key. Now I am able to use W command in order to write the text file typed into file system into a program 1. You can also use multiple commands. Here I am using W and Q. W stand for write and Q stand for quit. Now you can see here I am just exit from Vim and I get the command line back. Now here to get output we can say Python 3 file name program 1.py and hit enter. You can see here the output 3 hello I get. Now I am making a little bit modification to this program. I am able to specify all the command line when I invoke the program, the string I would like to pass as well as number of repetitions, something like this. So it is flexible. The program can be manipulated by the providing a parameters into command line instead of being fixed every time that I execute. So first we need to copy of our original program into a new file. So cp is the command used for copy. Cp program 1.py to program 2.py. Now we can use vim and we can open the file program called program2. So type vim program 2.py. We are back to a program that we wrote little bit earlier. For Python to be able to read parameters that are typed on command line. When I need to invoke a module which has been pre-written and that completes certain functionality. In this case, there is a such module that allows me to read my program to type parameter when I invoke the Python program. So first thing I want to do is import the module. Then press I to get insert mode. Now just leave some spaces and here import sys. Now I am going to remove fixed string hello. Instead of I am going to replace it by replace sys dot argv and 1. So we say now is that I want this function which belongs in sys module. I mentioned pick the first one of those command line and place it right here in the string function. I am doing this in second parameter. I'm changing it into sys dot argv here too. Argument in the second position. Just one thing that by default we type anything in the command line consider as string. So I actually want a number from the command line. So I'm using here int to convert it into an integer. So here I'm using int command. So finished escape key to return from insert mode and then shift hyphen key W for saving and Q. Okay guys, to see the output I typing python 3 and the file name program 2.py and passing a string here hello world and number 3. You can see here 3 times hello world is repeated. Okay guys, we can look another one. So typing python 3 program.py passing a string and rpi guy space 4 times. Now you can see here an RPI guy is repeated 4 times. If you like this video, hit like button and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.